Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing about 4 operations: addition, subtraction, and in today's class we are going to discuss about multiplication. In previous videos you learned how to multiply with 1 digit number, 2 digit number and 3 digit numbers also. If you practiced that all examples, then only today's class is going to easy for you people, and for this you need to know the tables compulsorily. And in previous class I taught how to multiply with the 3 digit, but here now in today's class you have here 4 digits, 4 digit by a 4 digit. Next here in see here, then let us start the today's class. So here first you need to multiply with this 6, next with 5, next with 4, next again with 7. So for time being I will write this 7 4 5 here, 7 4 5 here, hide this and you just assume here only 6 is there. Okay, only 6 is there. So first I need to multiply with this ones, tens, hundreds, next thousands. Okay, when you are multiplying you start with the ones place. So let us start. 6 sevens are, yes, how much is there? 6 sevens are. I hope you know the tables, then only you are going to solve this examples. Then see, 6 sevens are 42. So keep here carry and write here 2. 6 sevens are 42. Next 6 fours are, how much is there? 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 4. 24 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 and you keep this 2 as it is. Then how much I got? 24. 28. 6 sevens are 42. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. Next 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. There is no need to solve this. For your understanding purpose I am solving this examples. 6 sevens are 42. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. Next 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Next 6 sixes are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So after multiplying 6 with the 6 by 4 7, I got 39282 as a answer. Clear? Next, here you leave one place. Then tell me in tens place which number is there here? 5. So I will take now here 5. Okay. So and you make a scratches because already I added that numbers. So multiply with this 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Next 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. Next 5 sixes are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Once again I will repeat. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 5 sixes are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So here with 5 multiplication is over. By multiplying 5 I got answer here 32735 as a answer. Next which one is remain here? 4. Then take this 4 and make this scratches because already I added that numbers. Next 4 sevens are 28. Here you write 8. You keep carry here. 4 sevens are 28. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Next 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 1 is, see here, 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Next 4 6 are, 4 sevens are over. 4 fours are over. 4 fives are over. Next 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. See here, 4 sevens are 28. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. See here, while multiplying these numbers you make sure whether our product is correct or not, because here digits are more. So leave here one more digit. 3 digit. Here I left 1 digit, here 2 and here 3. Next, here 6 over, 5 over, 4 over. Next, here which one is remain now? 7. So here you make scratches because already I added that numbers. So 7's carry I will write here. 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. 7 6s are 42. 42 plus this 3 is 45. Leave here place. 2 add the numbers. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is, yes, how much here? 13. Yes, 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Next, add here 9 plus 1 is, yes, add this all the numbers how you convenient. No, if you are adding, that is also correct. 9 plus 1 is 10. 19. 19 plus 8 is 19 plus 8 is 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. Here you write 3 and here you write 4. 9 plus 7 is, see here, 9, 10, 19. 19 plus 8 is, how much see? 27. 27 plus 3 is 24. Yes, see here. Then I got answer here as a 34. Next to add this. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Next, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Next, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Again you write here 4 and you make this all digits as a 0 if you are getting a confusion means. So this type you have to find the product. See here one thing I will clear you. You must and should know tables, and you correctly you need to add this carries, and correctly you have to add this all the numbers, and here the arrangement of the numbers is also important. Got it? So move to next number, and that is see here. Next here again 4 digit by a 4 digit number. See here, first I will write that number here 3156 into 2124. Okay, so I took these examples from your My Practice Time 3 and page number 97. For this you need to practice more and more. 4 6 first again you multiply with ones. 4 with this, next 2, next 1, next 2. So take this 4 6 24. 4 5 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Next 4 1 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next 4 3 12. 4 6 24. 4 5 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 4 1 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 3 12. Next here you leave one place. Okay, and you make this scratch because already I added that numbers. 2 6 12. 2 5 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay, see here 2 5 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 1 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 2 3 6. Once again I will multiply this numbers. Here 2 6 12. 2 5 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 1 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 3 6. Next again I will leave here 2 digits. Multiply this and make these scratches because already I added that numbers. 1 6 6. 1 5 5. 1 1 1. 1 3 3. Again you leave here one more place. 2 6 12. 2 5 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 1 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 3 6. Next, add this number 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is, see here, 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. See here, by multiplying 3, 1, 5, 6 into 2, 1, 2, 4, I got result here 1, 0, 2, 2, 5, 4, 4 as a answer. See here, in this class I have solved 2 examples. While practicing, first you practice whichever examples I have solved on the board. Next you practice next example. So let us take some examples as a homework, because in your textbook only 2 examples were there. Already I have solved. For your practice I will give this example. Take this 4, 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 0, 5. First one. Next one 3, 1, 2, 5 into 2, 3, 1, 2, and you take one more example 6, 4, 2, 0 into 1, 3, 2, 5. See here, while solving these examples, multiply the numbers correctly and add the carry also correctly. Okay, so these 3 examples solve and send it to my personal number. Why? Because this kind of examples are not there in your my practice time. 2 were there, that already I have solved. So these 3 examples you solve neatly and multiply correctly. For this you need to know the tables also. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.